Want to ensure users enter correct data in your Zoho Creator forms? Here's how to validate fields. Open your Zoho Creator application and go to the form where you want to validate fields. Click the specific field you want to control, for example, email, number, or text. In the Field Properties panel, find the Validation or Rules section. Choose the type of validation you need, such as mandatory field, input format, like email or number, minimum or maximum value, or custom condition. For advanced checks, you can add a validation script using Deluge to enforce logic, for example, preventing negative values or restricting certain text. Enter a clear error message that users will see if the input is invalid. Save the form. Now, when users enter incorrect or missing data, Zoho Creator will block submission and display your validation message. That's it. Your Zoho Creator fields now have validation rules. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.